Well, Natty,
Good morning.
welcome to another episode. This time we're at
Emu Point.
We've picked an absolutely stunning day. Another breath of wind. We're here for the next couple of days, and the reason why we've come here
Is to catch the squid. We've had hot tips, a couple of hot tips actually, that there's lots of squid here, so we're going to go out and see what we can get.
Yep. We're just cruising along here out the main part of Albany Bay, but we're just looking at this stunning, and I can't describe it enough of how beautiful this place is.
Yeah.
The water is so clear, the sand is so white.
Beach over there.
Beach. I've never seen a place like this in my life. It's just so perfect. We do have a stunning day, which does help. But wow, it's just beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
We're just here fishing outside the channel, just at Emu Beach. And Natty, what's going on?
I got a squid. I thought it was weed, but it's an actual squid.
There's a squid. I turned around, saw her wind his line in, and she's reefing it in. I looked up, it's a squid. Whoa, 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 whoa! Because if you wind in too hard,
I'll jump off.
they rip the tentacles off. So we slowed it down. I'm not sure about salty, just to lift it out of the water. A squid that's ink all over the side of salty. So if salty wasn't christened with our champagne Moscato all those months ago, she's now christened with squid ink. That's one. What do you reckon?
That's good. Calamari rings, here I come.
Well done. That's one.
That is one.
We've got a pelican just sitting on our stern,
Yeah.
waiting like we are. Haven't had anything since that's first. But just, I'm sure we will as the day gets on. Alrighty, we've come from over there to here, which is absolutely stunning again. It's more stunning when the sun was out a few seconds ago. However, whooshka! One squid. He was playing with me for a while and wasn't sure if it was just the bottom, but then I could see him, so it's been a little while since he did the first one that Natty caught, but I've now caught one, so yay, we might be in a better spot. But you can see all the dye that he spat out when he came over. Sort of, ooh, missed the boat this time anyway, and me, which is good.
Take him up that way.
Another stunning morning here in Albany, Emu Point Marina. Absolutely glorious day. We've picked some great weather to be here this time. Well, Natty.
Yes.
We came here
Yes.
on the hot tip. There's squid.
Yes, we did.
Emu Point, Emu
Okay,
Beach
so,
area.
Yes.
Yesterday we caught a couple.
Yes. Today we're going for a couple more.
We've We've managed to get hot tip number 243.
Yeah.
We were told this place is great for squid, however,
Yeah.
we didn't get the exact location. Yesterday afternoon, while cleaning the couple of squid, a local let us know where they are or should be. So this morning we're heading...
Yes, we're going to Griffith Street.
Griffith Street.
Yes. They should be all there, so here's hoping.
But yeah, just take a look at this. With the weather we've had on this trip so far, to now get this, so beautiful, isn't it?
It's absolutely stunning.
I believe this is, the whole area is this King George Sound. The map shows this in here as well as out in the Bay of Albany, so I'm not sure where it extends to, but this little area here is just beautiful. Just arrived at hot tip number 245, 648, no idea. This is the spot. That's where the bottom changes from sand to weed. I don't know if the GoPro's picking this up, but it's a mixture of sand and weedy bottom. King George Sound here in Albany. Albany's over that way. And it's amazing. An absolute perfect day, no wind, the lowest swell you could even think of, and let's see how we go. 2 minutes in the water.
Yep.
There's one. Spatties die everywhere.
Yep. Good.
But that's good. There you go. Alrighty, I think we're on again. Just wind it nice and slow. That rip the tentacles out. You always feel them. They're like a dead weight, like you got the bottom weed, then your rod just runs a bit. So just bring them in slowly so you don't rip them out. The hook out of the tentacles. Make sure you got a net. Keep it low. Oh, you can see him. Oh,
Yes, you can.
He's shooting.
Yes.
He's shooting the dye out. The last one spat and spat and spat and spat for ages.
He's only just hanging on there.
It's only a tiny one. I know. Oh, into the side of the boat, poor salty. Christened again. Any more? So there you go. So there you go. Another nice squid. Alright, it's Nettie's turn now. Alright, it's coming in. Meanwhile, I just admire this beautiful day, and our pelican friend sitting here. We're back over here, and no.
Oh, no, it's not.
No.
Oh.
Felt like it, eh?
Felt like it.
Yeah.
That's a shame.
Well, just check out this perfect day. A breath of wind slowly drifting across the sea grass. So perfect. Alrighty, Natty's got one. Bushka! And I'll squirt. Hopefully. a big one.
Good. About time.
Well done.
Thank you.
Look at that. All right. Oh, another one's coming in. Oh, got him. Oh,
Put it down, put it down.
oh, he got me.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh shit, get him, he's gonna get
Oh,
away.
oh,
Get him.
oh, he got me. He got me. Yeah, he's covered me. Oh, geez, that wasn't good. Ugh.
Oh yuck, man, he christened ya.
Anyway,
It's all good.
got another one.
It's all good.
Beautiful day. I'm covered in ink. What do you do? Oh, just check out his day. I can't say rave on about enough. It's just so beautiful. Anyway, back to the squid.
2 in 5 minutes. That's pretty good going.
You like that, Natty?
I do. Calamari. Oh, just love it.
Well, we're going to learn to make
Salt and pepper squid.
Yeah. So we're going to make that tonight. Not sure how. Good old YouTube.
Yes.
YouTube and
Yes.
Google.
Yes.
All right, here we go again. Oh, yeah, hold them down, Glennie, so you don't get squirted. Old Salty's copping it, but I'm not. Bail. There you go. Another one. So after catching a few more, I've really got to learn to keep away from squirting on me. It keeps smacking me. You can see my life jacket's shirt's all covered. I think my face has got some on it, so it's going good. It's going great. Great spot. Wind's come up a bit, a little bit more chop now, but and this is the reason why we've got a stable boat like a Nomad high side. It's such a great boat. She's so stable.
Rocking around today though.
It's very safe, very good. Anyway, let's catch them all, Natty.
Yeah, try it.
Keep going.
Yeah.
So we've got about 10 now. It's going quite well. Just keep going out, drifting back, going out, drifting back. Amazing. Ooh, got one. Just as I was videoing. Here we go. Oh, it's a big one. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's good.
Grab the net.
Yeah.
Oh, here he comes. Grab the net.
It's a big one.
Good job.
One less ink's come out.
Yep, good.
One less on me.
Yep,
Keep on the squid.
yep.
You got one little tentacle on there.
Yep. Get the net.
Good. And that's what we wait for. It's a good one. That's what it looked like. Oh, we're on the boat again. We've got another one. Last one for the day. It's been good. Been a good hot tip. Oh. We'll bring this one in. And
He's squirting everywhere.
oh, he's not happy.
No.
Oh, he's all over. Oh, yes, nearly got that for once.
You did get me.
It's a little-ish one, compared to what we've been getting. So, yep, it's been a great day. Hot tip worked off. It's we've done good. We've done good. So we'll call it a day. And guys, thanks for watching. Catching squid here in King George Sound, Albany, just off Emu Beach. And fantastic. What do you reckon, Natty?
Been great.
You've enjoyed this?
Yeah, it's been lots of fun.
It's been a lot of fun.
It has been.
So we came out this morning, the water was calm as, beautiful day.
Yeah.
Come up about 10 knot easterly I think.
Yeah.
But they've been going all day and it was great. So thanks for watching, guys. Good luck with your squid. See you, Daddy.
Goodbye.
Go on there. Have you got one? Hang on, there may not be a wrap yet just yet.
Got one alright.
We got one. He's still spitting everywhere.
He is, yeah.
Oh, hang on. We're still filming. He got the last one for the day. Keep it down. He'll spit. Ah, he got me. There you go. We need to do a wrap because we're approaching the beach fast. So there you go, Natty. You got the last one.
Great.
And goodbye to Pelican, who's been hanging around us all day. Oh, and he's still spitting. Oh, it's a lot of fun. Oh, see you guys.